There was once a small farm right next to a huge ancient forest. This forest was filled with towering trees that seemed to touch the sky, trees that had been standing there for hundreds of years. On this farm lived a simple farmer who absolutely loved growing plants. He truly believed that every single seed held a future, even if the rest of the world couldn't see it yet. One spring morning, the farmer stood quietly, holding two tiny seeds in his hand. Both were so small, almost insignificant. The first seed was an acorn. It was dark, hard, and felt strong on the outside. The second was a bamboo seed, so tiny it looked like a speck of dust. As the farmer looked at them, the acorn felt a wave of doubt wash over it. Deep in the acorn's heart, fear began to grow. "I am so small," it thought. "I'm supposed to become a mighty oak tree, but just look at that forest. It's already packed with giants. Trees taller than mountains, with roots deeper than rivers. What chance do I have? Even if I give it my all, I'll never be good enough." The bamboo seed felt that same fear too, but something inside it was different. "I am small," it thought, "but I want to grow. I have no idea how long it will take, and I don't know how hard it will be, but I'm going to try." The farmer gently planted both seeds into the soil. He covered them with earth, gave them a little water, and then walked away, trusting that time would do its work. The very next day, the acorn woke up underground and felt like nothing had changed. It was still dark, still buried, still completely unseen. "This is pointless," the acorn thought to itself. "I don't see any growth. I don't feel any progress. Why should I even keep trying?" And slowly, the acorn closed itself off. It stopped absorbing water. It just stayed there, hard and silent, hiding from any effort. The bamboo seed, which was buried even deeper, also saw no light, no leaves, no signs of success. But instead of giving up, it started to send tiny, delicate roots downward. It drank the water the farmer gave it. It stretched quietly, invisibly, through the dark soil. No one could see the work it was doing, but it kept going. Days passed, then weeks, then months. Above the ground, absolutely nothing changed. Other plants grew leaves. Flowers bloomed all around. Crops appeared in the fields. But where the bamboo seed was planted, the soil looked completely empty. The other plants started to whisper. "Why are you still trying?" they asked. "A whole year has gone by. You haven't grown even an inch. You're just wasting your energy." But deep in the earth, the bamboo seed replied calmly, "I am not failing. I am building my foundation." The farmer continued his daily routine. Every single day, he came with his watering can. He watered the patch of soil where nothing could be seen. 1 year passed, then 2, then 3. Still, there was no sign of the bamboo. His neighbors began to laugh at him. "Why do you keep watering empty soil?" they mocked. "That seed is dead. You're wasting your time. Go plant something useful." But the farmer just smiled. He knew something they didn't. He knew that the bamboo wasn't sleeping. It was working harder than any other plant, building a massive, intricate network of roots, underground roots, strong enough to hold something truly extraordinary. By the 4th year, people had completely forgotten about the bamboo seed. But underground, its roots had spread far and wide, anchoring themselves firmly into the earth, preparing for a moment that no one could possibly imagine. Then, in the 5th year, something absolutely incredible happened. One morning, the farmer walked out to his field and noticed a small green shoot breaking through the soil. Just one. It was thin, quiet, and looked almost fragile. But that little shoot didn't stop. In just 6 weeks, the bamboo grew taller than any other plant on the farm. It didn't grow slowly. It exploded upward, reaching over 80 feet into the sky. It was strong, flexible, and unbreakable. It stood taller than many of the ancient trees in the forest. The neighbors stared in complete shock. The very same soil they had laughed at now held one of the tallest plants they had ever seen. Meanwhile, The acorn that gave up on the first day remained buried, unchanged, forgotten. It never became an oak, not because it was weak, but because it stopped trying before its roots even had a chance to grow. You see, the bamboo didn't succeed in 6 weeks. It succeeded in 5 years. Those 6 weeks were only the visible part of its journey. The real work, the most important work, happened underground in silence, in patience, and in faith. And this is the lesson for your life. When you don't see results right away, it doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are building your roots. When people laugh at you, doubt you, or tell you to quit, remember the bamboo. Progress is not always visible. Growth is not always loud. Sometimes, the most important work you'll ever do is happening where no one can see it. If you quit too early, like the acorn, you never give yourself the chance to rise. But if you stay consistent, if you remain patient, and if you stay disciplined, just like the bamboo, one day your growth will shock everyone, including yourself. So if today your life feels stuck, if your efforts feel invisible, if your success seems delayed, please don't stop. Keep watering your goals. Keep strengthening your roots. Trust the process. Because when the time is right, you won't just grow. You will rise higher than you ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, please subscribe for more videos to help you on your journey.